Good morning, everyone. Today, August 9, 2022. Next few days, we got a big meeting with everyone in another country. So, we can tell on here, I was talking about our class. So, we come back with the markets for today. The Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Google. And you can see the most biggest company is running the stock, and people was put the point in a lot. We can see Tesla kind of gained a little bit today, but for sure, many different reasons it stocked out today. Tesla going to be under 850. So one more thing we can take a look very quick on the top is S&P 500 drop a little bit, NASDAQ drop. Dow Jones is compared with Dow Jones numbers, it's gaining a little bit, but I'm going to say is all of them going to be dropped for today because special event is still going on. So S&P 500 add up tiny bit. And we're talking about S&P 500 VAX. So crude oil getting up a little bit for today. It's natural gas up a little bit today. It's gold already past 1,800. So you can see silver dropped tiny. So all the food price is getting up a lot. So coffee is dropped $1. So anyway, when the food price getting up more than $10 for each item like that, we can tell is the market going to be crazy. So we can see on here Tesla going to be like around $6 change. But straight now, just be prepared. Tesla's win or more around like $30 to $50 easily. Like even though sometimes it's go over $80, it's not surprising me at all. So especially it's a big one like NVDA, Apple, AMD, Amazon, Microsoft right now is dropped, and seeing Meta and AMC, GBT and FLX, Netflix is gaining small, tiny bit, but AMC is one like winner because like compared with last week, it's getting up like over $8. Crazy. So, but AMC today we're going to go ahead and put the AMC, and August 12 is going to be the deadline. Is going to be it's cheaper, it's easier to beat. If you just not that fast or whatever reason you don't have a over 25K in your account, should pick a little bit longer next few weeks. So CHPT charge for 0.19 is perfect. So BBBY, that's a good one. Anyway, all of them for the option chart is move really well for today. So this is, we can tell ETFs, SPY, and QQQ is dropped for today. But when they drop, even though they drop in the game, it's really slow. It's not a big of a deal because like when you gotta invest on ETFs, you need to take at least a week, just cannot say it in just like 1 or 2 days. You don't have much profits on ETFs because ETFs a little bit on C2 at least, like barely C1. So that's on here we can tell us really tiny numbers gain compared with the chart before was all NASDAQ drop, and we're going to see gold up, oil's up, of course stock down. So if anything change in next few hours, I'm going to let everyone know and post a very quick news on the quick 10-second video or reporting on YouTube and or Facebook. Please watch out and see. So it's going to be Costco and MELI going to be split the share. Maybe 10 or 20. Flip the shares mean it's smaller, make them smaller. When you hear the word. So, but anyway, today's chain is lost of it 50 cents. But anyway, you can see the volume and cap. They got really nice cap. And those key data volume, that's pretty good change. Okay, and now we're going to take a look on the first stock, Tsla, Tesla. Today we can use a Tesla. We can buy. You can drop down $30 to $50. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. But when a market like this, you should touch option because you can pay like $2,000 and you can make like $2,000, $3,000 or $4,000 just for one order. Let's say one order you make $20. That means you make $1,000. Let's say you just call them around a 60. No, you put them like a 70, and they drop to a 50. That means they keep lower and lower. Then you make really pretty good money. And especially if they dropping $40 today, you make one order, you make like 4,000. Pretty easy and really impressive calculation. So the cap for today is 909. And we can tell 909.94. And the cap yesterday is 902. That's been $7 billion for 1 day change. That's what I say, like pretty much big change every day. So second stop for today is AMC. AMC is determined like summertime is good time to get a movie out. Doesn't matter where you live at, movie theater is still part of our entertainment in America. I don't know how many times we watch movie in a month, but keep economy rolling. It should spend time for it. So $12.3 billion is seem pretty nice, and they gain up like around $2 billion. That's mean around 1/6. So highest one is 52, lowest one's 9. And one day is rank around 23 to 27. That's for, like around $4 rotation. That's pretty impressive moving. And watch out for that. Go ahead and do it by slow. Follow my reaction. Have a good day.